Hello everyone, welcome to my PHP. Today we will recommend about Mooziicart Helix, template of Mooziicart. Mooziicart Helix is template for new online merchants who want to create template by yourself. Okay, this template makes it easy to create the template on website. So you can create color tone that you want by oneself. You don't need programming skill, but you can easy to create online shopping. If you want to use this template, you can download and install use for free. Okay, look at the template. The highlight this template is the ability to change color as you wish. Okay, the first thing we will explain about social icon. About social icon, you can add link that you want. Okay, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, or Skype. And when you add link, you can see icon that you add on your website. Okay, look at your website. Okay, you can see link icon that you add the link about Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, Skype. Okay, the next part we will explain about contact information. Okay, and about contact information, if you input information, you will see your contact on your website too. Okay, look at your website, you can see your contact that you fill out about number or Gmail on your phone. Okay, the next part we will explain about preset. Okay, this template has 4 presets. You can change preset that you want. Okay, change the preset and you can save and refresh your page. Okay, you can see and you can change about background color, text color, or major color, drop down and drop down text color. Okay, we will change about background color and okay, you can see background color can be changed. Okay, the next part we will look at layout. You can add row and column that you want. And you can remove top bar, header and page title. So you can click and remove. It's easy to use. Okay, we will look about website. We will go to wish list page. Okay, it can be seen that the color of the template will be changed in the same way. Make the template look beautiful, whether it be about button or background or the text. Okay, look at categories. You can see your categories. Okay, we will go to cart for add product. Okay, you can see about buttons or background in the same way. Look beautiful. And this template can be supported on tablet and smartphones. And you can use the slide menu about home, wishlist, categories, and contact. Or you can use on your tablet. Has the side menu too, about home, wishlist, category too. Okay, today we will finish this presentation. Thanks for watching.